Sending money from Gcash to Paymaya is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To send the money, all you have to do is follow the steps below to transfer your funds from Gcash to your Paymaya account. Note that you must have an additional PHP 15 on your Gcash funds for the transaction charge. Then, log on to your Gcash app. Choose Bank Transfer. Now select Paymaya Philippines Incorporated. Then enter the amount you would like to transfer. Note that the maximum limit is PHP 50,000. As you can't directly transfer the money from Gcash, you have to link it with a bank. After that, log on to your Paymaya app. Then tap on Bank Transfer. Now select Gcash from the list. Input the amount, purpose, and account details. Then tap Continue. Lastly, review the information before you proceed. Then tap Send. Don't forget to enter the one-time PIN or OTP that will be sent to your mobile number. Then tap Proceed. You will receive a notification that the transfer is being processed. Make sure you have enough funds on your Gcash or Paymaya account to proceed with the transaction. Ensure that your accounts are verified and upgraded to transfer funds from both apps. Screenshot the transaction details that include your reference number so that if there are any issues, you can report it to their respective helplines or customer service representative. Show the screenshot as proof of your transaction.